Yeah, I've always been a big fan of FIFINE gaming microphones. I bought my first one in 2018, kept using it for many years and always went back to my FIFINE microphone because it was so solid. And so here's a new model with improved features. So I definitely wanted to test it out. By the way, it was sent to me for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but still my honest opinion, because I would never claim something which is not true. And you will hear a lot of live recording during this video anyway. Of course, at the moment I'm not recording from this microphone, but I'll switch to this microphone as soon as possible. What we have here is a full set, and so in this set we get everything what we need. We get this super lightweight microphone with RGB light, even with the gain control down here, standard connection, so you can use it also with your existing favorite boom arm. Yeah, definitely super lightweight. Microphones don't have to be heavy. There's absolutely no reason why microphones would be any better when they are super heavy. And so that's a huge improvement. So you can use it, for example, also with a low profile boom arm or so, which wouldn't be possible with a heavy microphone. We get also a pop filter. We get the desk clamp with really large opening, so this should fit everywhere. Good quality and long 2-in-1 USB cable. And of course we get a suitable boom arm, and so it's super easy to install. We just open the clamp here to the suitable size and then put it here. No tools needed. Then we untighten the screw here a little bit. We put the boom arm here inside, tighten the screw a little bit. Then we can open the boom arm already. It comes with 2 screws here to tighten and untighten. I think a really good construction, very flexible. We can push it back to about this angle here. We can point it up very high or put it fully to the other side. But of course, usually we are just using it like that. And now time to add the microphone and adding the shock mount here at the front from the top. Absolutely no tools needed. Now connecting the USB plug to the back of the microphone. And then on the other side we have this 2-in-1 plug, so we can use it either with USB-A or USB-C. That's super convenient. And so I have it installed here and connected to the camera, which is actually my phone. Yeah, actually it works pretty much everywhere except from Microsoft, Xbox, works on a PlayStation, PC, macOS, phones. And so I have it here also positioned how I need it, pretty much directly in front of my mouse. Of course, I could also mount it on the other side of the desk, so I had my left arm free. So it's very flexible with so many joints. We have 3 screws and you can see the beautiful RGB. Of course, we cannot change that. It's just cycling and pulsing through all the colors. The only possibility is to do something is the mute here, which we have on top. So when I push here, yeah, repeat that again. Of course, you couldn't understand me here, so don't worry, you didn't miss anything. You just push and then the color is off and then you realize that it's off. That's exactly how it should be. And underneath we have the gain control. And so I have it here in the maximum gain, and so I'm reducing it. Probably you won't be able to understand everything. And so I'm coming back after having it on the minimum gain and back to the maximum gain. Yeah, here maybe a small complaint regarding the gain control. And it's actually also my only complaint about this microphone. That's that we can't see the gain control. I mean, we can easily grab it, feel it. And at the moment I know when I turn it clockwise, like to the right side, then I increase the gain, and when I turn it to the left side counterclockwise, then I decrease the gain. But it would have been super nice to have it combined with the light, so when we reduce the gain, the light would be a little bit dimmed, and when we increase the gain, that the light would be maybe a little bit brighter, but it's really complaining on a very high level. Yeah, the sensitivity is really high despite having a really low self noise. So the quality of the diaphragm, electronics, everything seems to be absolutely awesome. Yeah, that's what I was expecting from FIFINE, and they delivered again here with this A6T AmpliGame FIFINE gaming microphone kit. Absolutely awesome. No absolutely crazy features, but rock solid recording, perfect for gaming, streaming, chatting. By the way, I've been using it already for a couple of hours of recording and I couldn't find any problems. But something, of course, I realize when I talk loud and I'm super close and on the highest gain, there is no limiter, there's no compressor built in. And so on the highest gain, sometimes it produces some clippings. So of course, before you start the first YouTube or gaming session, make sure that you test it and reduce maybe the gain a little bit. For example, like that. I mean, of course, I can't hear that. There's no live monitoring or so, but I guess now it should be a little bit better. And so I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this awesome microphone down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also an awesome gift. Definitely almost impossible to be disappointed of this microphone. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this microphone, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.